At the beginning, you feel lost. Everyone seems to be moving forward, but you're stuck, unsure where to start. You try to begin, but things break, go wrong. You think, maybe this isn't for me. You feel defeated, tired. You start to believe you're not good enough, that the path is blocked. But suddenly, a spark, an idea, a tiny light in the dark. You begin to learn, bit by bit. Even if the steps are small, you keep moving. You're exhausted, everyone else is sleeping, but you're still grinding, still fighting. But you rise again. You refuse to let failure define you. And one day, you make it. You succeed. And you realize, every moment of pain was worth it. Finally, the road to success is tough, but never impossible. If you made it this far, you're a warrior. Support this message with a like, and let others see the way.